Your heart is racing. You are ready to sweat. You tap the glowing screen of your tablet, and absolutely nothing happens. The spinning loading icon becomes your only workout partner for the next 5 minutes. While your motivation slowly starts to evaporate, this is the double-edged sword of the modern connected fitness world. Specifically, when we look at the companion apps for those more affordable home machines, on one hand, you have this incredible library of classes that cost you absolutely nothing. That is a massive win in an era where every single piece of software wants a monthly tribute from your bank account. You can ride through the lush greenery of the Swiss Alps, or row along a quiet, misty river in the early morning, all from the corner of your spare bedroom. The immersive video quality is surprisingly sharp, and when it works, the auto-resistance feature feels like a glimpse into the future. The app tells your bike to get harder as you hit a virtual hill, and the pedals respond instantly, without you ever having to take your hands off the bars. It makes you feel like you have a professional coach right there with you, nudging you to push just a little bit harder. But then, the connection drops. The Bluetooth link between your device and your equipment is, let's be honest, temperamental at best. It is the ultimate buzzkill to be halfway through a personal best and see that connection lost message pop up on the screen. It happens frequently enough to be a genuine concern, and for some users, that is going to be a deal breaker. You also have to navigate the technical gremlins that live inside the code. The app might crash right as you are finishing a grueling session, or it might force you into a mandatory update just as you have laced up your shoes and only have 20 minutes to spare. Time is the one thing we can never get back, and spending a troubleshooting software is not why anyone buys a rowing machine. Then there are the numbers, the metrics that many of us live and die by. If you are the type of person who loves a clean, accurate spreadsheet of your progress, you might find the data here a bit messy. The calorie burn figures often seem like they are just a rough guess, especially when you compare them to the much more reliable sensors on a high-end smartwatch. And if you are a serious rower, the lack of a real-time pace metric is a huge oversight that is hard to ignore. It is difficult to improve your performance when you do not truly know your baseline. Even the class durations can be a bit of a mystery. A session labeled as 20 minutes might actually be 15, or it might stretch on much longer than the thumbnail suggested. It feels unpolished, like a product that is still finding its footing. But we have to go back to that price tag, which is $0 for a beginner who just wants to get their legs moving and see some pretty scenery. These quirks are manageable. You learn to work around the bugs. You learn to ignore the slightly off-kilter data because you are still getting a workout. You are still moving. You are still better off than you were sitting on the couch. It is a functional companion for the budget-conscious, not a luxury experience for the data-obsessed. It is for the person who wants the results without the recurring bill and is willing to have a little patience with the tech to get there. It is a trade-off, and you just have to decide if your patience is as strong as your willpower.